Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I will install my bob wig. So this is how the hair looks. It's just outside the pack now. This is how it looks outside the pack. First I'm going to start by showing you how the inside looks. So it has two hooks at the end and comb hooks as well in the front for good grip. So like I said, it's a bob wig, and I'm just going to show you how I intend to install it. So the next thing is I'm going to put some of my foundation, my regular foundation, along the line. I'm going to start with the inner side. Okay, so I'll put it along the line, along the pattern generously. And on the other side, I'm just going to look at the effect and just make it really smooth. I'll add a little bit more. On the other side. Okay, so this is the way I like it. And then I'm going to proceed to the next stage. So I'm wearing my wig cap now to protect my edges because I'm going to be using glue in this procedure. Now I'm going to put on my wig, put on my bob wig and align it as much as possible. Make it extend a little bit beyond the wig cap, and then I'm going to start my trimming. Now that I'm done cutting, the next thing I'm going to do is to style. Before I start styling, I'm going to apply my regular moisturizer throughout the hair. This is just moisturizer to give it that shine and to moisturize it. The next thing I'm going to use is the Got2B Ultra Glued Invisible Styling Gel. It's actually for styling, and it will give the hair a shine. It will give the hair the much needed shine. So I'm going to rub this generously throughout the wig before proceeding to the next stage. For the back, I'm going to add a little more Got2B Invisible Styling Gel. Okay. So next I'm going to be brushing the wig and make it as smooth as possible for the next stage. Okay. Next I'm going to be using my straightener here on the wig. So I'll divide the wig into small portions like so. And then I will use the straightener on it to give it a smoother look, and also I'm going to attempt to curl the ends by rolling the straightener like so. Yeah, so I'm going to continue this by grabbing little portions until I repeat the same procedure throughout the wig. So this is the second portion. I'll do the same. Okay. So after rolling, then I'll release. Okay, so I'm going to continue that throughout the week. What I'm going to do now is to use my tonging equipment to tongue the hair throughout. So I'm going to start from this side, just like I did when I wanted to use the straightener. I'm going to pick portions of the hair and I'm just going to use this to roll. So guys, this is the actual look I wanted to achieve, but there's one more thing I'm going to do. I'm going to trim the edges. I'm going to trim all the extra hair from the edges, and this will give it a more defined look. Okay, this side is pretty much done. I'm going to trim the back a little bit. And then I'm going to do exactly the same thing to this side. Okay, so this is the finished look, guys. I got this hair from Hair by Lavisi. She's on Instagram, and she has a lot of hair products. She has a lot of wigs and other products. So please feel free to check her out. I'll leave a link in the comment section below, and please check her out and you'll see all the products that she has. So thank you for watching, guys. Please leave comments for me in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this hair. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Take good care of yourself. See you soon. Bye.